Okay, here's my hottie Henry. He's so hot. Well, anyways, we decided that he eats people while they're sleeping, okay? And what we say goes, because we're like the editors-in-chief and stuff. Oh, that's so good to have a big title. Okay, so anyways, we're like the directors of his little video blog, so you know what? Deal. Okay, so apparently we've gotten news that he eats people while they're like asleep, so we decided we'd follow him around with a camera, but we're gonna go like invisible, so like you can't see us and he can't see us, even though he can hear us right now. He won't know. So anyways, yeah, here we go.